Hello, parents and students of College Readiness. This is Ms. Avila, and I am here to discuss all of the technologies and expectations for the rest of the school year. I want to tell you that there are two major websites through which students need to access on a daily basis when they are in college readiness class in order to be successful. First, they need to access clever.com. If they go to clever.com, they can access Ms. Avila's class and scroll down to college readiness. Clever.com will give you the day's assignments. It will give you positives and negatives, videos you can make through Flipgrid, which cannot be accessed by anybody other than those with the class code and MIT Academy email address. It will give you access to the day's assignment, the attendance ticket or exit ticket, as well as the day's Zoom meeting with the time as well. Please note that college readiness is unique in that we have a collaboration grade, which means that whenever possible, students need to attend the Zoom meeting so they can collaborate with their peers and with the tutors and myself in order to earn a grade to answer an inquiry question. Today's inquiry questions were related to math. Students work together with the tutors to answer math questions. You also need to make sure that you turn in the attendance ticket or exit ticket, which will give me a report at the end of the day of who was on college readiness doing the exit ticket and what have they accomplished, and if they have any questions they can ask me all in one place. Students also need to have access to Google Classroom. Google Classroom has two main tabs that are important. The Stream tab will tell you both what are the most recent postings, assignments, and materials in chronological order, as well as showing upcoming assignments. The Classwork tab will have work organized based off of the topic it falls under. For the rest of the year, students will be mostly graded on their weekly collaborative study groups on Thursdays or next week and the week after on Wednesdays, as well as their pre-work, which they accomplish on Mondays. They also have a final project to focus on. The final project is going to include either a family recipe, preparation for a first fictional interview, or a memoir. If you want information about the final project, I have under Google Classroom the standards they are attached to, descriptions of the projects, rubrics, appropriate technologies needed to accomplish it, due date, as well as the email addresses of all of the tutors and myself. Students need to access Book Creator, also found through clever.com, under Apps and Websites for Education. If they open the Book Creator, it will ask for a code, which is found here, also under the Project tab of the Classwork tab. And I have samples of what the students' work can look like. So here I have my 6th grade resume and portfolio. This is 6th grade Miss Avila with her education and extracurricular activities, as well as an adjective community lesson. So this would sample my education in sixth grade, my extracurricular activities, as well as a small lesson that I would have designed probably for my younger brother's class. I also have a recipe book for my potato and cheddar soup recipe, where I included videos, an image, and directions. I also have a pandemic journal to describe memoirs of this historical time. So, in conclusion, students need to access for attendance and to find the day's assignments, as well as the Zoom sessions, college readiness class through clever.com. But in order to find information about the project and all past assignments, they need to access Google Classroom. Thank you, and please remember to ask any questions by emailing me.